Hello everyone, I am Raja. Welcome to my channel The Technical TV. Here is a buying guide, things to keep in mind while choosing a budget laptop. So if you are looking for a budget laptop but are not sure of what specifications and features to keep in mind, here is what to look for when you need to buy a new laptop without burning a hole in your pocket. So, buying a laptop or notebook is a tricky business nowadays. A good laptop costs good money as well. So, settling for a budget machine is all about picking the right set of features and the right compromises in areas that do not matter to your needs. In order to figure out what budget laptop is right for you, here are some pointers to keep in mind when you look for laptops available in your budget. Here we go with the first one, your needs and budget. It is very easy to fall for brand marketing when looking for pretty much any new gadget. However, focus on your primary needs and decide what is more important to you. Choose between a portable form, a good screen, good battery life, good internal specification, etc. and decide which of those elements actually matter to you. For instance, if you need a laptop for basic used to your school research and assignments, do not spend more on a high resolution screen or a more powerful processor. You could probably save a lot of money by getting something like a Chromebook. Going with the next point, display. Getting into the nitty-gritty of choosing your own laptop, one of the first things you should look at is the display of your laptop. For a budget machine, keep your expectations realistic and don't expect a very high resolutions OLED panel with narrow bezels. Instead, settle for something that has a basic screen with good viewing angles. So these things you should keep in mind about the display. Now coming to the third point, internal specifications. Coming to your laptop's internal specification, look at what processor you actually require. Do not rush into higher end Intel and AMD processor if you don't plan on getting into very resource heavy tasks or using heavier computer gaming or software. More importantly, it is not always important to get the latest generation of processors. If you can save money by stepping back one generation, similarly you are not going to be using too many programs. Setting for a machine with a moderate amount of RAM would be a great money saving tip. 8GB RAM is the ideal budget RAM size for a lot of people. Coming to graphics, you probably will not be gaming. If you are looking for a budget machine, rather give a look at the kind of integrated graphics you are getting with the processor you choose. Coming to storage, SSD storage is your best friend at low prices. Remember that you can always buy an external hard disk to store your files. However, don't settle for less than 512GB or 1TB of storage space. So this was about the graphics and the storage. Now coming to the very important point, that is input output. One of the often overlooked parts of a laptop, yet a crucial one, is the input output ports. Look for how many input output elements the laptop you're choosing comes with and see if it fits your requirement. If you plan on using multiple peripherals and flash drives at the same time, consider the number of USB ports your laptop has. Now coming to the very important point we discuss on every day, like battery life. We are having online work, online studies, a little bit gaming also. So battery life is comes to very important when we do gaming or any other online stuff. So battery life will be an important factor no matter what budget you hit. So when you are at home, you can easily charge your laptop. So this were some important points to look into when you buy a budget laptop. Keep always one thing in your mind, that always look what you are actually need. Well, if you are looking for online studies, buy a simple one. If you are looking for online work, then buy a simple one. If you are looking for a gaming, then your budget should be high. So everything is depend upon your needs, what actually you need to fulfill your requirements. Never go with the branding, marketing or high processor, because companies what they do, they brand their products very much. They will not give everything in the same prices, like means generation to generation they will not give the same thing in the latest generation, or they will cut off the prices, or they will increase the price but do not give the function. So there's all kind of things happen. So do not go with the branding of the companies. It all depends on your requirement, what actually you need for the laptop. So guys, this was all about the laptop buying guide. If you like the video, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, The Technical TV, for more such videos. Till that, stay safe, have a nice time.